In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the MF Doom filter on Instagram. Okay, so once you've loaded up Instagram, what you need to do is tap on the little magnifying glass next to the home button at the bottom bar there, near the left. Tap on that. That will take you to your discover page, and then you want to tap on the search bar, and then you want to search for this account right here. I'll link this account up in the description of this video, so you can just go ahead and tap on that. And then you want to go from this page to their filters section by tapping on the little filter icon in the middle of the screen underneath the story highlights. And then you want to scroll down until you find the MF Doom filter, which is the bottom one there on the left. Go ahead and tap on it. And this is what the filter looks like. So we'll try it now. So what you can do is download it by tapping that little download button to save it to your Instagram camera. Or you can tap the try it now button to go ahead and see what it will look like. So that is the MF Doom filter on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.